Resolution Retreats. I'm Jolene. We've created this special place for women where you can take some time out for yourself to focus on your health and happiness. Come and see what we've created. This is our reception. This is where our team will greet you for your retreat, show you to your room, take all your booking details, and generally just help you with whatever you need. This is our library. This is where we have all sorts of books, health and wellness books, other books. It's also where you can take a little bit of time out for yourself to pitch up and do a bit of work if that's what you need while you're doing your retreat. It's also where you'll find our team when we do our one-on-one consultations. This is the dining room. This is where some of the magic happens. The ladies come to the dining room before dinner just to get to know each other a little bit. There's lovely couches in here to make everybody feel at home. Pull up a couch, pull up a magazine, make yourself at home. This is also where we do our meals. So we eat 5 times a day on retreat, healthy, nutritious meals. This is also where we do our cooking workshops and nutrition demos before each dinner. Pampering and treatments is a big part of relaxing when you're on retreat. Come and have a look at our wellness area. Our infrared saunas are a private little hideaway that you can spend 20 or 30 minutes by yourself in some really warm, dry heat to get a bit of detox going. Then we also have our new steam room. So the steam room is a little bit different to the sauna in that it's a wet heat. And it's a really nice place to especially get nutrition and hydration into your skin. And you're gonna love our indoor lap pool and jacuzzi. The indoor lap pool allows our ladies to get swimming any time of the year in between 30 and 32 degrees to make them comfortable. Our jacuzzi allows ladies to take some time out and put their feet up with some other ladies around the spa after fitness. We also love to do pool fitness in the pool. Our weights and cardio room is here for your use during your retreat, although it's completely optional. You don't have to come and do anything extra if you don't want to. We provide group fitness classes each day to take care of movement, as well as yoga classes for all levels and abilities. The weights room is here as an optional extra if you feel like doing anything. Our beauty and massage therapists are really good at taking care of you. Whatever your needs, they can take care of it. This is our yoga and education chalet. This is where we do our yoga, our meditation, and it's also where all our speakers come to do workshops and inspire and motivate our guests. A retreat within the retreat is our accommodation facilities. Chalets spread throughout the gardens, in amongst mature trees. Each chalet has its own lounge, has a kitchenette and tea facilities. It has a dining suite, your own bedroom. This room can either be as a twin share or you can have it as all to yourself. Our bathroom facilities are just lovely. You get a big jacuzzi all to yourself, separate shower, and separate walk-in wardrobe and dressing room. There's so much room for you here to spread out and make yourself at home.